opening the BLACK+DECKER 13 mm 550 watt drill machine. It has all the functionality. We'll see what we have received in this box. This is what we have received. It is 13 mm hammer drill machine, 550 watt. Let us check what is there in this box. This is the nice looking box. Okay, what we have received: 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 6 drill bits. Some bits are here, one bit is here. Here bits are missing, it looks. Let us check. Oh, it's fallen over here. Let us see. This is the drill machine, looking very nice. Bits fell down during the courier. Attachment handle, heavy. It's quite looking sturdy. Oh, all the bits are there, nothing is missing. I have ordered it from the Amazon website. Let us check, see how it looks. Wow, it's looking nice. This is for screwing the bits, tighten the bits. Okay, thank you for now. We will do it checking and then we will see. Thank you for now.